My love for pumpkin spice runs deep. Hey guys, we are officially back from our beach vacation, and as soon as we came back into Ohio, it felt like fall slapped me in the face. We went from beautiful, hot, sunny weather in the 90s when we were in the Carolinas to cool temperatures and dreary, cloudy days here in the Midwest. So, since fall is obviously in full swing here, it is time for me to start adding pumpkin, apple, cinnamon, all of those wonderful autumn flavors into my cooking. And in order to do that, I have to do a Trader Joe's Fall Finds Fall haul. Last week I loaded up Ezra and Ava and we went to Trader Joe's. We had just left dance class, so Ava was decked out in her tutu as we oohed and awed at the pumpkins and the mums. We just really enjoyed perusing the aisles and looking at all of the fall special deals that are available right now at Trader Joe's. Now, my love for pumpkin spice runs deep, deep. I love pumpkin, I love cinnamon. But my family is maybe not as, enthusiastic about it as I am. If I served all of these ingredients that I have here in the bags at every single meal, they would complain. Justin would definitely complain. Pumpkin is not necessarily his favorite flavor. So just know there's a lot here. I went to Trader Joe's with the intention of just picking up fall flavored items for this video. But these will be sprinkled throughout our meals, throughout my cooking for September, October, November, basically now all the way up until Thanksgiving. All right, well, I'm gonna unpack bags here and let's jump right into the haul. All right, so I tried to organize this a little bit for us here. First, we'll start out with some breakfasts. Here is some Honeycrisp apple granola. This will be great with maybe some vanilla yogurt and sliced apples. Just a really nice breakfast for the morning for my kids. I also really love to stir in some chia seeds in my kids' yogurt. It really just fills it with protein, which is a nice start to the day. Next up, we love pumpkin O's from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to be honest with you. There's 2 boxes here, but I think I've purchased 6 or 8 this season so far. We have one cereal day every week for my kiddos, and they love the pumpkin O's. Now, as you can see here, my kids already dug into these this morning. These are the pumpkin bagels. They are absolutely delicious. And then I personally love to also use the pumpkin cream cheese on top of those. One of my favorites. It definitely is a little bit robust with pumpkin flavor, but very, very good. And then kind of to go along with toast and things like that, I buy several jars of this almost every year. The pumpkin butter, which is just kind of a spin on apple butter, but it's pumpkin flavored, as well as fig butter. This is great on toast or with a charcuterie board. Just really, really delicious. They do have this available year-round at Trader Joe's, but I always pick it up in the fall. One other item, this could be for a breakfast or for just snacks, are This Pumpkin Walks Into a Bar cereal bars. We don't necessarily use these for breakfast. We like to use these kind of as a snack, but this will be one snack for my kids one day. Moving into kind of regular meals, I picked up this autumn harvest soup. It is tomato and pumpkins and butternut squashed all mixed together. I don't know how much my kids are going to love this, but this will definitely be a great meal for me, maybe paired with some sourdough bread. This one was just for fun. My kids, my little ones in particular, love these fall leaf corn tortilla chips. These are great because they're different shapes and different colors. My kids just really enjoy these, so I picked up a couple bags of those, as well as the fall harvest salsa. Again, it has pumpkin and tomatoes, onions, apples, squash, red bell peppers, jalapenos, just a lot of different types of vegetables in this salsa, a fun different flavor for the fall. And then I also picked up 2 bags of this fall pasta, pumpkin shaped pasta. My kids will absolutely love this one night for dinner. Again, I love Trader Joe's because they don't use artificial coloring, so I know that this orange color in this pasta is actually from, let's see, paprika, and is what colors it orange, not red dye. So excited to try out this pumpkin shaped pasta. Now, kind of moving into drinks, of course, I had to pick up some spiced cider. I will pick up cider from a couple different places this year, including when we go apple picking, but this is just kind of a fun way to get us started. Now, this is Justin's absolute favorite. I still have a few boxes left over from last year, so I only picked up one this time, but the Harvest Blend Herbal Tea. It is caffeine free and it is just autumn in a cup. Cinnamon, just all those delightful flavors. It's so good, especially if you have a cold or any kind of sickness going on. This tea mixed with some honey is great. Now, yet again, another just fun one for the kiddos are these pumpkin shaped Mexican style hot cocoa melts. These are fun. You just put these in some hot milk and they will melt and have fun things inside, I believe. And yes, it says there are marshmallows inside. So this will be a fun evening dessert item for my kiddos. Maybe like if we have a bonfire or something like that, they'll really love this activity. Now, this one is for Mama, maybe to put with my coffee or my tea, these pumpkin spice batons. And then this one actually reminds me of a little bit more Christmas, but I did go ahead and pick them up because hot cocoa is fall as well. But these are hot cocoa with mini marshmallows. My kids will definitely enjoy these little hot chocolate spoons. You just, again, mix it into some warm milk. All right, and then moving into some sweet treats. I guess I could have put this in with breakfast, but here I picked up a couple of these pumpkin bread and muffin mixes. These we love to use for breakfast or for desserts, so the girls will enjoy making those one day. We also really love these maple leaf cookies. Again, I think these are an item that are probably available throughout the year, but we always buy these in the fall. Maple flavored sandwich cookies, kind of like, you know, an Oreo. Just really, really good and nice leaves fall theme. All right, and then I bought a couple of boxes of these pumpkin flavored JoJo's. We love to have these on community group nights when we have some people over from church. It's just a quick and easy fall dessert that I can set out for a crowd. And then the last item was definitely a little bit of a splurge. This was this Harvest chocolate collection. I just thought these little chocolates were so cute. And I thought they would be fun if I did a charcuterie board one night. Sometimes we like to do that even just for a dinner on the weekend is charcuterie boards. So these I will scatter in with that. All right, I'm definitely gonna dig into some of these cookies right now, but I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to stick around. Coming up on the channel, I am planning a back to school freezer meal cooking series where I'm going to do breakfasts, lunches, dinners, all kinds of things. So be sure, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the channel and stick around. Hope you guys are having a great start to your fall. See you later.